Dahil nalalapit na ang PMO 2020, sagutan natin ang PMO 2019. So, if this is equal to 1 over 16, find 2 to the x. So, dahil 2 to the x ang gusto nating isolve, i-factor out natin siya. Ang matitira dito sa term na ito ay 2 to the negative 1 lang. And similarly, ang matitira dito ay 2 to the negative 2. At sa last term ay 2 to the negative 3. Yan ay equal sa 1 over 16. Okay, mental na lang natin. Ito ay magiging 1 half plus 1 fourth plus 1 eighth. Tapos over 8, yan ay magiging 4 plus 2 plus 1 lang, or 7 over 8. So ultimately, 2 to the x times 7 over 8 is equal to 1 over 16. Tapos transpose na lang. Cross multiply, yan ay magiging 8 over 7 times 1 over 16. Tapos cancel common factors. So yan ay equal lang sa 1 over 14. So the answer is letter A. Question 2. If the number of sides of a regular polygon is decreased from 10 to 18, by how much does the measure of each of its interior angles decrease? So first of all, yan ay regular polygon. As yung number of sides daw go from 10 to 8. So sa isang n-gon, ang total sides at the sum of the angles ay 180 degrees. So paki-memorize ang formula na ito times n minus 2. The number of sides minus 2. Or the number of angles minus 2. Kapag regular polygon, each angle, a regular n-gon, sige, kung n-gon, the sum of the angles is this. Pag regular n-gon, each angle, ang measure ay, of course, the sum is 180 degrees times n minus 2. Paghahatian yan ng n angles. Okay, so, gawin natin, kapag 10 ang number of angles natin, so the measure of each angle sa isang regular 10-gon or regular decagon ay 10 minus 2, yan ay 8, over again, n is 10. Tapos, kapag 8 naman, very similar, so 180 times 8 minus 2 ay 6, divided by n, which is 8. Yung difference daw na yan ay, hinahanap natin yung difference. Okay, so minus. Kung bababa ka from 10 to 8, yan yung difference. Okay, again, wag kang mag-multiply, i-cancel common factors muna bago mag-multiply. So, mabubura yung 0. 18 times 8 ay 144 lang. Tapos, ito naman, common factor is 2. Okay, tapos common factor is 4. So, 45 times 3 ay 135. Okay, so yan na yung sagot. That is simply 9 degrees. Letter D. Sa number 3 naman, Sylvester has 5 black socks, 7 white, and 4 brown, where each sock can be worn on either foot. So, yung bawat pares ng sock ay pareho lang. If he takes socks randomly and without replacement, how many socks would be needed to guarantee that he has at least one pair of socks of each color? So, dito, ang key insight lang ay dapat hanapin mo yung worst case scenario. Ano yung pinakamalas ka? So, ang pinakamalas ka ay, ang dami mo nang nakuha, pero iisang uri pa rin ng sock ang iyong nakuha. So, sa tatlong yan, sino yung may pinakamalaking number? Yun yung pinakamalas ka eh. So, pinakamalas ka, 7 na yung nakuha mo, puro white pa rin. Yan yung pinakamalas kasi, halimbawa, 7 ang kinuha mo pero medyo swerte ka konti, pwedeng may nakuha kang brown tapos may konti kang black. So, kahit papano, may dalawang kulay ka na at least. In fact, kung sobrang swerte mo, pag 7 ang iyong nakuha, pwedeng dalawang black socks, dalawang white, at dalawang brown. Tapos yung isa kung ano man siya, okay na. Kasi meron ka na agad one for each pair. At yun yung gusto natin. Okay, so pag pinakamalas ka talaga, pwedeng lahat ng kunin mo ay yung pinakamalaking number ang iyong kukunin. So, pwedeng lahat ng 7 na iyong nakuha ay puro white. Tapos, ang next na malas ay yung the next bigger number which is 5. So, in other words, 12 na ang iyong nakuha, 2 colors pa lang ang iyong meron ka. So, pero for sure, kapag kumuha ka pa ng ilan pa, okay, pag kumuha ka pa ng dalawa, wala ka ng choice. Sure kang brown ang iyong makukuha. Kahit na yun yung worst case scenario. So, therefore, this is the minimum na dapat mong kunin para sure na makuha mo lahat ng kulay. At tig dalawa, at least, sa bawat kulay to form a pair. So, that's the answer. Letter B, 40.